Let's unbox my latest order from Clarins. I picked out 3 samples for free. First one is the Clarins Jolie Rouge Velvet in 3 lip colors and it comes with a lip brush. The second one is the Clarins SOS Pure Rebalancing Clay Mask. And the third one is the Clarins Hydroessential Matte Gel for normal to combination skin. I really like the skincare line. I'm curious if this product works well for my combination skin. I forgot I have one already and I bought the Clarins travel-sized invigorating shine shampoo with ginseng again. But it's great for travel, so it's fine. This is the main character of the order, the Clarins Lip Comfort Oil Collection set. The first thing you see is this white envelope. Wrapped inside is the metal chain of the mini bag. I clasp the chain on both sides of the bag like this. This is how the red mini bag looks like. This is how it looks like inside. There are 5 mini Clarins Lip Comfort Oils of 1.4 ml. This just looks so pretty. I was able to lift this carton tray out without any problems. It wasn't glued and it didn't require any tools. The mini bag is quite big inside. It fits my essentials like my phone, wallet, lipstick and keys easily. It is a bit too bulky to wear as a crossbody bag, but it looks very elegant as a clutch. Previously, I also bought the Clarins Iconic Lip Oil set and I saw that you can still get it at the online store. Let's see the swatches.